Hey there again. This is Anzil and out of box Gate Linux, and in this episode I'm going to start the series about the applications of Linux in the statistics and probabilistic field. So if you are interested in finance, in basic analysis of data that comes from finance or from stock market, I'm going to show you how the use of Linux in those cases is extremely useful and extremely powerful. So I have here a very good example to start off. So I have the S&P 500 data. The S&P 500 is an indicator of the stock market. So basically what I have here is every data about the stock market of the United States since the year 950. So I have here 4 columns. The first one is the year, the month, numbered from 1 to 12. The third column will be the return, and I'm going to show you what that is in a second. And the final column is simply the amount. So what the returns mean here is that the benefit one can have if he invests in the year 950. So if you put $100 in this year, you will get 2.52% benefit. That is 100 plus 2.52% times 100, and that is $200.52. So we basically gained $2.52. And in the amount column, we will see how the return will affect how much you will gain during the years. So this data comes from a website, a very credible website, and we are going to see how we can use Linux to make some basic predictions and statistics. So let's go. The first tool I want to use is the awk. Awk command can be used as a file processor and much more. And I'm going to show you how we can use awk to compute something like mean. The mean value is the sum of all values divided by the number of value in a file. Suppose in my file I want to compute the mean of my return since the year 950. So let me show you what I mean by that. So in the year 950, the first month, which is January, I would have 2.52% of benefits, and the second month I would have something like 1.38%, and so on and so on. So if I go to the last line of this file by the command tail, I can see now in this year 2021, I have something like 2.49% of benefits in January, and so on and so on. Suppose now I want to compute the mean value of all returns since the year 950, and this is what I'm going to do with the command awk.